So hello guys, today I will tell you how to turn off keypad sound in Samsung mobile. This sound. It's bang. This sound. And then let's start. And guys, remember, subscribe my channel and like and comment. How is this? So first you need to go to settings. Okay, then you need to go to sound and vibrations here. Look, I will watch you this. Then you need to go to system sound vibration control. This. Okay, and then you need to turn off Samsung keyboard. This. Not this, it is already turned off. And turn off this, okay? Then you will go to here and you will see it have turned off. And look, the sound is on. It cannot turn off it. And then if you want to turn on it, then you need to do it. Turn on it, and if you want to off, turn off it. So guys, I want to on it, so I will on it. Okay, so guys, remember, subscribe my channel, like and comment, and did not rest and subscribe and do the bell icon so you can get my all notifications. When I will upload a video, you will see the notification. So bye guys.